Thongju Assembly Constituency MLA T.H. Biswajit says a lasting peace in Manipur can only be achieved through dialogue and mutual understanding, adding that the state cannot move towards development without peace. The MLA also calls for joint efforts against those hindering peace process. He made the remarks while attending the Peace and Prosperity Come music concert organized by All Tribal Film Organization Manipur at Chandil Town Hall today. The program was held on the theme Heal Our Land. MLA Biswajit stressed that if peace does not prevail in the state, development will remain stalled and the aspirations of the people cannot be fulfilled. He emphasized that for Manipur to progress on the path of growth and prosperity, restoration of peace is of utmost importance. Calling for unity, the MLA said constructive dialogue among different communities is essential to build trust and harmony. He further added that every individual must collectively oppose violence and intimidation to ensure peace returns to the state. Biswajit urged the people to stand together, set aside differences, and work collectively for peace, prosperity, and a better future for Manipur.
Afaba pot ama purakpada akhoisu right lawjage adum yang kodimak lawbiraga every civil society organization oro any kono lairi bamyo kodimak responsibility lawmina rakanda khoi shanti se porukmina rakanda shanti leba kanda da punamak lakani akhoina pami baningi pot punamak sing shanti leba mafamda development ki oiro punamak ki oiro amata oiro da base masi ohensi har kaje akhoina through dialogue se continue to rakanda hanna wari sarakana khoi masin understanding se abduga thajen da bache playram punamak to regain tawrekanda punamak peace restore tawrekanda punamak afaba oiminana ba miyam punamak ta aina ngasigi function siga mari ledana ai appeal tawjari